Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. We from Global Reach are constantly looking for new opportunities for you guys, and today we're going to talk about Brazil. It's a beautiful, big country full of opportunities.
We've been hearing a lot of interest around Brazil in 2025 and wondering what's happening with the economy.
So yes, that is true. Brazil economy is booming. Specialized magazines, economic magazines, have reported that in the first semester of 2025, Brazil's economy has grown more than expected due to demand for agricultural products that Brazil produce and can provide to markets, but also due to foreign investments. So some partnership on infrastructure, technology, it's what lead for this growth in Brazil's economy.
So, why are investors turning their attention to Brazil right now?
In my opinion, I think Brazil has a lot of natural resource, which is the natural partnership for other growing economies, as India or China. So Brazil can provide what other growing economies need in order to grow together. So I believe this is one of the main reasons Brazil economy now is growing more than expected.
Mhm. Is Brazil also becoming a tech destination?
Absolutely. I've heard that Brazil is investing in green energy, so clean energy, so which means it demands a lot of technology. So we can see a growth in that part too. Also, fintech, so companies related to financial services and technology are growing as well, but also agriculture tech. So we don't think about technology or cutting edge technology for agriculture, but also to manage huge farms. All those farmers, they're going to need a lot of information and technology in order to manage better their resource and also have a better profit.
And what about real estate? Is it still affordable?
Real estate is considering other markets as North America or Europe, it is still affordable. What I've seen now, especially in certain capitals, capital cities, it used to be more affordable before. There is a change in the market, and this change is very fast. Of course, there is still a lot of opportunities, but as any other real estate market, as soon as possible you enter the market, probably is going to be better for the profit in the future.
Okay, so many people are concerned about safety. Do you think it's safe to live and immigrate to Brazil?
Yes, Brazil has certain cities that are safer than several major cities in the US, for example, and people don't realize that. Of course, there is crimes, but they are more localized, so you can avoid certain areas inside city, but also there is cities that are completely safe and people don't know. So, as an example, Curitiba or even Florianopolis, you're going to find safety index higher than probably you can find from certain major cities in the US.
Okay. Thank you so much for answering that question. And could you summarize for us why is now the right time to look at the Brazil as a place to invest and possibly relocate?
Brazil is rising global influence. Brazil is one of the founder members of BRICS, which allow Brazil to have good relationship with economies that are developing very well, as India and China. Brazil has many infrastructure programs now in plans that's going to be implemented, which is going to lead to not just economic growth, but also demand for specialized workers. So everything, it's like looking like it's making the economy grow even more. So it needs more investment, and of course, it's going to have more internal demand for products and services. And I think it is the next big player in the economic world, probably.
Okay, thank you so much, Tom, for answering my questions.